Are you planning to make a successful transition into AI? So now what is a formula to make a successful transition into AI? The very simple formula is to have a real-time projects related to AI. So now by joining this particular AI program, you're able to learn AI related end-to-end projects. You're able to learn ML related end-to-end projects. You're able to learn generative AI based end-to-end projects, prompt engineering based end-to-end projects, and even large language model based end-to-end projects. So every real-time project you're working here going to be driven on a cloud platform. So now, like we will be using various cloud platforms, we will be using AWS, we use Azure, we will be using Microsoft Fabric, we will be using Snowflake. So by using all these platforms, we try to work on end-to-end projects related to all these particular techniques. And once you completed all these end-to-end projects, you're able to work on them. Not only that, you're able to place them in your resume as a portfolio or as an experience or an internship. So why you're waiting? In case if you're interested to join this live weekday program on end-to-end real-time projects, and there is no prerequisite. Anyone can join we will be starting this program from complete zero until you're building this end-to-end portfolio, so that you can be confident in your interviews, you can showcase them, and you can clear the interviews. And the class is going to be live weekday. The timing is going to be 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. In case if you're interested, you can reserve your slot. The links are in the description below. Thank you.